Hi everyone. So my recommendation is going to Chrome and then using your Gmail account. So I have a few Gmail accounts and I'm just going to sign into them. I'm going to click on my waffle right here. This is where your apps are at. And then I'm going to scroll until I see this icon Classroom. If you don't see it, continue to scroll. You can click on More from Google and then find this icon. When you get there, you're going to click this plus button, and this is where you're going to click Join Class. I sent you the class code already. I'm going to pull it up for you one more time. And there it is. You'll enter in that code, and then you'll be able to access all of our Sunday school lessons. So once again, I recommend opening up Chrome as your internet browser, going to google.com, either creating a new account or going into whichever account you want to use, clicking on your waffle, which are your apps, clicking on Classroom, when you get to Classroom, click on the plus sign, click Join Class, and this is where you put in the class code. Once again, here is the class code. Thanks, everyone.